Beep, beep, beep.
R. Kelly, I want to meet you personally.
Ikaw na, Caramel
Joanna.
Sige, ang busi ito.
Bisa makbo.
Ngayon tayo mga bading. Ngayon tayo pag mga bading mabilis tumakbo.
Grabe.
Federico Badayos. GMA 7.
The third.
The third. Alam mo, ligtas ka. Here she is.
Federico Badayos the third. Nabuko ba? Hindi naman yun ba?
Si Jojo yan.
Yeah, this is worm.
Yes.
This worm are elastic worms.
Yes. This is my compare elastic worm.
Yeah.
Add this up. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Where is it?
Lasing na yun eh.
Papayag na ako.
Kawawa daw siya.
Red Horse. Red Horse kuha natin. Red Horse, extra strong beer. Si Junjun anta. Yeah.
Federico Badayos the
Madilim
third.
Lasing na si Oromelo, meron pa eh.
Lasing
Oh,
na.
meron pa Melo.
Wala pa, hindi mo yung lasing hulog.
Yeah, baby.
Hindi nakawala yung likod eh. Sa isa to ah. Pasok po na. Junjun ba tayo? Hey, where have you been, man?
I've been in the airport. Did you saw me there? My flight was just about 9 o'clock in the morning, right? What happened here? What happened here?
Yes. Now we're gonna give you this, the what do you call this?
Have a light, please.
Yeah.
This is
Sounds.
yeah.
Change it, man.
Union.
I don't need a reunion here. The bump. Here's the bump. There is one.
This is the
other night. I mean, the other. I don't know what time. What time is that? I can't think about it.
Arabo.
Where is the other friends here?
Yes.
So that is
This
it.
is the vampires.
Ano? Yung mga
What do you call this?
parang mga pasakaya tayo. Yung pagkausap mo yung mga Indiano tsaka mga ano. What happened here?
What's happening here?
I don't know what happened.
Well, all I can say is I love you.
What can you say? What can you say? Vampire Romel.
Parang nag-alok lang ng 5-6
Pag makausap ng mga Amerikano.
Here comes the bumper. DVD. Are you from Green Hills?
I just don't know what is Green Hills then. I just went to Edsa Central. There's a DVD there. A pack of DVD. Just you need to buy something there.
Perfect. Great.
What about the Federico Badayos the third?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Here comes the vampire ding.
Oh my day.
When you are empty packet, just call Federico Badayos dito.
Ryan, you want to buy something, huh? I have here. You want a BCD, DVD? I have hair, a lot of hair. That's why.
Wala. Where is it? Show us your reasons.
1 month warranty.
1 month warranty. Make it 1 year. Do you think you can make it 1 year?
Assalamualaikum salam.
Salamadan. Eres. Ese. Arias.
What are you doing? You don't know the dance of the Indian?
Yeah. Show it, dance. Show it.
Show the
Just
steps.
like this one.
Hey, baby.
Plastic world. Dancing in the night. In the middle of the night.
You wanna hear the song just like a Jamaican man? I don't know so many was with G. I don't know how to say it was with G.
Jiggy, baby. Jiggy.
Ano to? Eh, shukran. Ala, inta, habibi, shukran.
Chupa chups.
شكرا غادي بدي علاقة لك يا دي مودي خلي مودي مديا يا صبر كاو موني كاو كاو كي ورا سر يا بيجي لبتيني ولا
Tang ina mo.
That's my friend.
Fuck you.
That's my
Kita
friend.
maintindihan.
I know my English.
Okay naman. Okay naman.
Si Junjoni, pombe.
That's my friend here. He knows my English. He knows my English anyway. He's going to translate you. What am I going to say? He's going to translate you. Here. You seeing this one in the YouTube? You fuck you all. Here's my friend. Translate this one. Let's translate this one.
He say,
Here comes the Indian.
you know what he say?
Damos.
He say, what ciraban karuha? Ayo ba sa marap si putang ina? Wasya munya.
What's that?
That's my friend. He knows that translate this one. Hey, here's another one. I just say to the just say to the ear. Which one? I need the camera here.
Sorry.
Hey, it's my friend. Just translate this one. I just say bullshit to all of them who's watching this YouTube right now.
No. I want to hear bastard.
Those bastard person. They're nothing right now. Here's my friend. Translate this one.
I want to translate what you see. Huh?
Okay.
What
They say in Indian.
In
In Indian.
I want to translate this one in Muslim terms.
Muslim.
He say,
No Indian. Muslim.
Wasing amarah mulia. Wasing halaw hindi ka budi. Ya kata berkakargulu.
Manyakas. Yung manyakas. This is manyakas.
No, okay naman.
Japanese. Japanese. It's not related to us. It's just a Japanese. We are Muslim here.
I'm a pure Ilocano. Okay naman.
We thought you're Japanese, you're impostor. Where are you, Muslim? Or speak up.
No, I am a Japanese. Arigato, Ajinomoto, Wakawasaki, Yamaha.
Motor. Yamazaki, may Ajinomoto.
Well, all I can say is okay naman.
I just thought these are my friends, but not anymore. They're just Japanese. They're just a simple person anymore. Hey, they're not my friends.
From Philippines.
Oh,
From Philippines.
We're in from Philippines now. We're gonna break this down. Okay. Let's see. Fuck you. Adios.